Eye Nensoko TV, Uboroso Bumugusi.
Mwanchumu rigerelia Nensoko TV Uboroso Bumugusi. Karibu sana Chinsa Ikomi cha Afrika ya Mucha aseri tukeriga ria merongeru mutinyu mutangani mwaka wechile fubere merongebere ne tano nomo naboigo no kugera kwa buna kwagenderero bya ku Rwanda onsi asore aseri tukeriga naboigo ngendera tukubwatia merobere yonsi ime Nensoko TV Uboroso Bumugusi kurwa Chinsa Ikomi nebere cheke mambigo ikera borgana nengo kwarigania erio ochikwenyora amaya asenchira yobwenge ase Chinsa chingabune chigabuna basaki baito bayariganirie ase ritko rigima. Karibu tosanga subwamo gwetera se enchira yo mutandao gwekerero Facebook na boiga sensemo ya YouTube Nensoko TV kuruboro goikomwerio eriteriane Ishmael Mogere. Asumu chakaro mogorobo bono Angela Mongina umworoki wawe grade ge komekuru ase kenyoro kiario nsune wodi ya Nyansiongo ensemo ye bunge ya Burabu imeye county ya Nyamira uyu konyo menyete usomenyete no botaka obonena ase amateyo emenyete ase nyumba asebarikire buna abakore emirimo bamugondo nigo bono asirirwe aya nigachira mogega ya Walter Chanua koimukige tambukiro gyo komoira na gocha komosoya osena gochi komosomibosa ase miaka ya yonsi arasome ase skuru ya baiseke ya Serunga umoroki woyo nigo atarana maguru kurwa rionsune Nyansiongo goika ase skuru ya baiseke ya Serunga imiyo muchie Onyamira
samete tanguru kwanje la mungina na korete grade 9 ku skuru rionsune nganyora 60 points ase nchuma mingi nyakitali na lingi konyara kwenda skuru ngaimuka nchipika ngenda namo maguru mpaka Sironga nganyora principal na umuntu uri ngoro wingi akangwanira akangefya akantengira neka bagachamambia mpakanga bagangwana baganteri ngo bache umheshimiwa Walter Chanua na chanchango ono njengo yentonda tebe no te umheshimiwa sana esaya musese ono tuitire mechano ku mama to sominere ko to somi ko tuingi boka boni gaso ne akerne ngi grade 9 ai nkurwa rwatena so te grade 9 ne tichoro ko makani refike na ro ko dira mate
sengencho no amoro wana cheta korora ngina inkia kulinkanya there's nothing ngacha kwenda mwane nkaleta mabere no bosi bagacha kurugeru bagacha kuragera ubutaka buru butako bwere na ndonye ndiri abana babakonyu basome Ninyaruke iye college yonyendiri no nero yanyoro montanyo so no yobwe secondary nera ira nakore form 4 abana barabuna bangaini bali neri bono batabwati support yesengenjo ya poverty Chanua atumete API I thank him so much gacha ekere chita esimi yaku this morning interview mwana yabe tayari amoire school amukore shopping yonspi na enda mwaka ndrefisi yonspi
anaite bosoke barua ngira baspastu ocha ade na menyete mata yerenti gasi yo gacha banko chaka kama na menyete ichikonda menyete taso gatinyore konde mani
Ajina anaitwa Mori Nyaboke. Nakushukuru mheshimiwa kwa kusaidia sistangu kwenda shule. Walter Chanua kwa kusaidia sistangu kwenda shule. Na mimi ningekusie wewe na msamaria yoyote mwenye angenisaidia pate na mimi kwenda shule. Lakini nakushukuru kwa yale madogo yanayofanyia sistangu anaenda shule.
Asanse muyendo mwanchu murigeria aborokiwa banyaruka gwetani chimise tokuru ase chikaunti sano nemo nigorit koria rero babekirwe gutwe mi skuru yobobundi ya Kenya ensemo ye bunge ya bumachoge barabu muroberi oyo orangere ose muroberi oyo bange tuneri shirika rimanyekaine buna STEM Education for Empowerment Project nigo bane kibuna ekerenga kiabo nigyo kwene kibuna ba nukio kwene kibuna babalie se babaretire abana banyarukamo na kubasegeta ase chikosi au anene echi amaboko echi abange bamanyete buna nigo chikonyora use nigo chikonyarwa kokorekana amo nabana abamurabuka.
This function is all about our graduation. We are so happy actually. Personally, I'm so happy getting to graduate from this institution. And I thank our sponsors, I thank them a lot for enabling me to pursue this course.
I'm happy for this day. Girls who are out there, girls can do it. This course is good.
My name is Dennis Mushiri. I work for CAP Youth Empowerment Institute. CAP Youth Empowerment Institute is an NGO in the TVET space. And we are the ones who have been running STEM Education for Empowerment project in collaboration with Hamba Polytechnic. This project is geared towards elevating the status of girls, and especially in STEM. STEM is science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. And we know historically, this STEM is normally seen as male-dominated career. But of course, we want to change that narrative by ensuring that we are leveling the ground for girls to join.
Kwanza kabisa wanafunzi walisomea masomo mbili. Kiingereza walisomea masomo yanaitwa plumbing and pipe fitting. Wakasomea pia electrical wiring and installation. Kati ya hizo masomo mbili kuna zingine tatu pia walisomea ambayo ilikuwa na backup zile mbili wamesomea. Kwa hii project, STEP project, ambayo ni basic computer ambayo inawapea skills za kutumia computer. Tena wakasomea mambo ya biashara. Jinsi ambayo wakitoka hapa yule anasomea electrical, anasafungua workshop yake.
Ogosoka kwa abana baita baisike bari kugira chweti litukolia rero bariga iga bare no mogoko bakorire chintunde isano baganyaine ndero barenge kwegwe graduation card chiabo egera bachake kwikorera egasi yabo.
Asense muyende bune nchira yemo yokereki buna obwagachi bwe para ya Isiolo Mandera gwikirana bore ase gwikirana bore boronge nigo bono gwikirana bore obokongo bonde bwensi botayo nigo mu waziri bw'oburendi bw'eme Kipchumba Murkomen ayenekire buna abanyakonda bachikonyora oburendi bw'iseine kuri umuchakano gwiko mweri obwagachi. Murkomen nigo hayakwanira yasigi karona babwatani bande abo obubwekiranirwa se nababwatani bande bugikirani obwagachi obwo we kilomita 150 abwo asomo waziri bw'ekipara n'obasombe Davis Chirichiro mu waziri bw'oburendi bw'ime Soipani Tuya Daktari Raymond Omolo Daktari Patrick Mariru n'omukonye bw'ekyombe ky'abanyanyimbo Gilbert Masengeli n'abande bayikiranase egeikarikyo.
For myself and CS Soipan, who have a responsibility to manage security sector, and with the support of everybody, our PSs and the commanders and everybody in the ministry, we are pledging that we shall fully support the Ministry of Roads and Transport as they undertake the great responsibility of delivering this very important project. Not just the road from Isiolo Modokashe all the way Kotula up to Mandera. It is also all other projects that are in the areas that have security challenges. It's our responsibility to make sure that we do so. Therefore, out of this meeting, we have agreed that the security team will work at a multi-agency level. We will ensure that all security camps involve all the security teams to enable us to have a better coordination. We have already security protocols in place, and we request to all the contractors and the people who are working with the contractors to follow those security protocols so that we can be able to, we don't give an opportunity to the enemy to interfere with these important projects. We want to assure also the contractors, whom we will still also meet them this Thursday, that the security situation along that road is well contained, and our security teams working together going to deliver this project by supporting the contractors to do their work. I must say that just as we've shown here by coming here together with CSO IPAN, that spirit must be projected and demonstrated on the ground, as even as our officers continue delivering the great work they have been doing. We are also happy that this road project, about almost 800 kilometers, does not just deliver the road project. There are also other projects within it that will support security, water projects to local communities and schools and so forth. And we continue partnering together. Our ministries will provide the necessary designs to ensure that we build infrastructure that will support our security teams even way after these projects are
asese muyende kurwa sorongo rwa Nyanza abasaye kurwa sorongo rwa Nyanza inse yekiombe kiabo kiaramugi young professionals ningo basokire na kurwa kuboria guchia segati abarayibe kiama kia ODM abo bakugikeria okubwatira negati ya ODM na UDA gukwara kurwa somu cyo Nairobi abasaye abo ningo batebire eyonere inchira ya munyo kwenekia ense ya Kenya nkonyorere amagenderero.
But we believe collectively that within the ODM party, and I've said we encourage unity, discipline, and strategic coherence in order to strengthen its position for negotiation. That is something that we encourage. But because we also live in a democracy, we believe that those issues will be sorted in due course within party structures. So we don't want to go into the details of how that will happen. But our advice is that as united party, strengthened party, a consolidated party, stands a chance to negotiate with any other like-minded in a manner that they see fit only when they are united and stronger together.
We affirm that principled dialogue and coalition building with United Democratic Alliance, that is UDA, and other like-minded political formations remain indispensable for political stability, inclusive governance, and long-term national development. Therefore, politics must ultimately serve the nation, not factional interest or personal ambition. And that's why we are here to call on ODM to reorganize its house so that they go as a united party.
Sasa tuko katika ukombozi wa maendeleo na uchumi. Kwa hivyo ile ambayo tungependa kuhimiza kwa watu wetu ni kuwa tuwe na ule umoja wa kusudi, unity of purpose. Tuweze kushikana na tusijaribu kutenganishwa kwa vyovyote. Na ndio maana tunasema sisi kama wataalamu tunamuunga Mheshimiwa Rais mkono na tunaheshimu ile mpatano ambayo walikuwa nayo na aliyeaga shujaa Raila Amolo Odinga, na tunataka kuhimiza rais pia ahadi zile ambazo alikuwa ameweka ambazo zilikuwa katika ruwaza ya UDA. Tunamuomba na kumuhimiza ajaribu kutekeleza hizo ahadi, kwa sababu Wakenya wana hamu na wameona ana nia ya kugeuza hii nchi.
Gotigana nayo hasa ya bwatikire n'ekisemi aborokia banene b'eki skuru cya secondary kuri ase county ya Nyamira nabo igo kisi nigo cyago keregetambo kirugia serikali gyo kubachika bagambi kubwaterana n'abaturetia eri kubarotota aborokiwa be grade G ikomi kuri ase chinka cyabo ko babagambi nabwo bamenyete n'abamenyi bebinyoro byabo korengana na Evans Oeri oyore umworokio munene we skuru ya Gekano nigo ago keregetambo kirekyo gyo kubatumeka bagambi magiga y'abagambi kubakonya kubarigia aborokiwa bwo konyora basire ase okwiye dhahabu chinsemo cha kure county ya Migori nabo igo mworokiwa ya mube kirasi ya 12 ukonyoro utigira masomo kubwaterana neri omwana riegenka na kumwirania skuru abwaso mworokiwa yo aita bya asamatemu yo mwaka we 2025.
Of it as teachers, because there are children who have the heart of joining high school, but because of financial constraints, they cannot be able to make it to high school. Through the assistance of the chief, not only going to see where the children are, they also know they can advise these parents and children that there are bursaries from CDF and other government agencies where a child can go to join high school and then later fill a bursary form and the child is assisted. It is a good idea. I welcome it. And chiefs, we know you are equal to the task. You go to the village. If you need assistance from us, I wish I was a chief. I could be accompanying you from one place to another, use your village elders, get those children. I know they are there.
The provincial administration, what we used to call the provincial administration or the chiefs, can really help us. I'm told there's still others out there who probably don't want to come because of various reasons. So the idea that the chiefs come in, I think, is good. I've seen it in the past elsewhere where I've worked. We had boys who went to mine, this gold mine around Korea land. And the chiefs assisted us to bring these boys back to school. Even last time again, when I came here, I saw a case of a boy that had dropped somewhere in second term because of family issues, domestic problems. Actually, the chief assisted that boy to come back and even did his exams, and he got a very strong C+. So I'm confident if they do that, it can assist us get these students that are hiding out there.
Marai wense Daktari William Samoei Ruto nigaerere buno mwaka bw'ekilifu 2025 nomo nige serikali erengeti guchego chaki meroberio eyera chikoba ekiorokererwa asense ya Kenya era chikora liguchia Ruto nigayakwanaya maiga yogo tware gikaro n'abambassador boiga ba commissioner bensi ya Kenya guche chinse cheisiko ase ababorire kugendera kwenekyo bokoreryo bya na kuimukia bendera ya Kenya igora sekerekemo bagokora.
As you all know, there is no greater honor in public life than the privilege to represent one's country and people in an international stage. As it is expected that with great privilege comes great responsibility. You will be Kenya's representatives in different capitals around the world, and you are expected to steadfastly safeguard our national interest and also foster strong, mutually beneficial relations with friendly nations in pursuit of our foreign exchange, foreign relations objectives. As you are aware, we have set ourselves the year 2026 is going to be a very consequential year in the history of Kenya as we seek to roll out some of the most consequential programs that will define our nation going into the future. You are aware there is already a national discourse on where we want Kenya to be. Because we believe for our country, in many respects, that Kenya should not be in the place where we are. We deserve a better place. We belong to a better place. And we will be working collectively. Those of us serving within the Republic and those of us serving outside Kenya, towards a common goal of elevating the status of our country to a first world country. I believe, and I am convicted, that it is a possibility that is achievable.
gwikira mu mwanchu murigere no to gwikira omwerio bwa Amayia Chinsa Ikomi ase enchira yo wenge chingaki gati ari agenderete gwikira bori bura tukukwana omubunge wensemo ye bunge ya Kitutu cha South Anthony Kibageni nigabekiru byara ne kiumbe gya DCI na koiro wikasi chobisi chinene che kiumbe kyo ase nsemo ya Kiambu ase gwikira boniga mamuchae amanene taramanyikana aine gati ari agenderete kokorekana korende basaki baitu magandere tukubwatia nense yamo nichikumanyigwa asubwikirano nki gosekendere tukurwase ensemo eyo gendera kubwati mirobere yatigire ase omogorobo bono wika area nkyo chinsenye wika chi Ishmael Mogere.